That's.
Does anyone have a problem with their hair making that terrible noise?
Oh, it's gonna.
I can't stand it.
Well, it's gonna stop.
Then when I lift it, it goes away. I've already checked the belt underneath. The belt is fine. It was very tight still. There was no fraying. But it doesn't squeal during the spin cycle, so I'm not sure what's going on with it. It's a great little washer. I have the dryer that goes with it, and that has no problems. But this is the model HLP23E. I have it doing just a small load right now. I guess this one, the standard. But anyhow, it's just a tiny load in there. Let me know if you experienced that problem. I'm not really sure what's going on with this thing. All of a sudden it just starts going crazy. Just during the wash cycle, it just acts like it's gonna snap or explode. Okay. Thanks very much. Have a good day. Bye.